Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. Good morning, good morning. Perfect play, good morning. Cray Sports, Timbo, Amakre, Trading Ever After, Carlos, good morning, fellas. Let's get it. It's a new day, folks. It is a new day. It's a new day, and that is good. That is a good thing. All right, let's see what this market wants to do today. Looks like the overnight session, really not much activity to speak of. I mean, we had some movement, but looking pretty bearish. Looking pretty bearish. So we shall see. Hey, good morning, Daryl, D. Tucker, Vladimir, Cookie Jar, Dean Bishop, good morning. NVIDIA is still... Oh, I forgot about the whole NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA, they're getting investigated or something? That's crazy. It's going to be bullish. It could be. Good morning, John. Torsten, good morning. Garrett, good morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, boys. Should see some volatility here at the open, I think. Yes, the clock. Thank you, NP. You always remind me. I appreciate that. Hey, Viter, good morning. Let's go for a green day. That's right. That's right. Let's hope we can have a nice green day. I'm not even going to try to... I mean, this account we're not getting to pay out now, which is probably good. So no need to rush this account. Now I just want to be slow, steady progress. We can maybe get this account to a payout next payout cycle. But yeah, we have officially locked in our payout for the month. This payout period, we will not be getting any more payouts than what we have, $24,250. That is it. That is it. That is definitely all we're getting this payout period. We had a yeah, I had a little bit of a session yesterday afternoon. Thank you, NP. You just got approved. You just got your payout approved yesterday, Amakre. Are you serious? Was this a payout that was approved from... Oh, market is open. Here we go. Let's see what we do. Let's see if we're going lower. Looks like it. She wants to rip it. Oh, hang on. See what this market wants to do. Kind of want to, if we rip higher. Looks like it wants to maybe go higher. I don't know. All right, here's VWAP pushing up to VWAP. Here are the 895s. I really don't, I don't know what to do this morning. I have to, like, if we look at the daily chart, this is looking pretty bearish. Kind of have to look for shorts today, but at the same time, this market could just rip it up. I'm just going to try to be patient, not be biased, trade what I see, follow my strategy, and just not get too crazy. Hey, R5 Studios, happy hump day. That's right. Happy hump day. Good morning, UCLA Trades. Nathan, good morning. Here's Johnny, good morning. You did the overnight trade, made 367. Let's go. Let's go. That's always, I love when I trade overnight and I already have my profit. That just feels good. Feels good. Hey, Ajiboro, good morning. I am terrible at pronouncing your name. Oh, Aluwatosin? Is that right? I don't know. Probably not. Man, my office is like really warm right now. Hang on. See, we get some fresh air in here. Oh, here we go. Market making a move higher. All the way up to the 900s. Can she rip it? Honest, we need to take out the high of the overnight session before I kind of really buy into this push, but here it goes. We're making a move. She ripping higher. It was very right. Aluwatosin. Okay, I'll try to remember that. Hey, Spider Monkey, good morning. Oh, man, it's so beautiful out there today. Got the sun shining. You guys can't really see. But it's just this week, the weather has been beautiful here in Ohio. It's actually been kind of chilly in the morning. You can definitely tell that fall is just around the corner. I love fall. Fall is probably my favorite season. Okay, here we go. Breaking above the 915s. Definitely feels like we want to make a move higher here the morning session. I would be totally down for a big uptrending day. So while I have everyone in here, full disclosure, I had a session. We had ourselves a little bit of a session yesterday. It was actually late afternoon, like 3:30. I think it was like 3:30. 3:30, I took a break from cleaning the garage. And I really wish I wouldn't have. I really wish I would not have. I got way too greedy, and then I got mad. I got too greedy first, and then second, I got mad, and third, I went on tilt, and yeah, I blew 2 of my 150Ks. There were the only 2 that I had remaining that weren't at payout. And for some reason, I thought I was just determined to get those to a payout as well. And I was way too aggressive, way too trading with way too much size, especially when the market is moving as much as it was. Right here in yesterday, like this rip lower and then this rip higher right here. Like this went from the 920s, like this ripped up 100 points. And I literally got caught on the down, and then I got caught on the upside. It was very, very rude. Very ugly. So that's what I say. The 24,250 payout for this month, that is it. Or for this pay period. We're not getting more than that. There's nothing more to get. Because this account, there's no shot we can get this account to pay out in 2 days. We would literally have to get, here, let's do the math. So we would have to make $16.50 per day. Check out P&L and Alpine's Discord. Oh, Matty Matt. Okay. Okay. I will do that. Sorry, I don't have a Discord yet. I know. But I don't know. Ooh, let's go, Matty Matt. Let's go, Matty Matt. Ooh. Nicely done, Matty Matt. That's awesome. All right, pulling back all the way back to the 85s now. I'm just not interested in this range. YM Moon Rocket. Hey, Rosie Rose, good morning. Canadian interest rate says, oh, yes, we do have news at 9:45 and at 10 o'clock. Yes, thank you, Perfect Play. Cray Sports is bullish. Get yourself a pumpkin spice oil change. Nice, John. That's awesome. Any word on if FTT got their bank issues cleared up? I don't know for sure. I don't know. I think so. But man, yesterday I saw what what is up with that CEO? What is up with Fast Track Trading CEO? Jeez. I mean, that guy just completely went off the deep end and went and doxed someone, and even it wasn't even a valid, it wasn't even right. Like, what the world is going on? Like, that is, geez, that is terrible. But again, like as long as Fast Track Trading doesn't accept credit cards, there's a red flag. Because I'm sorry, I know. I mean, that guy can make all the excuses he wants, but see, the thing is, if you start up a business, for example, if I start up a business and I want a credit card processor, then I can contact the credit card processor, and basically what happens is the credit card processor asks for certain documents, and they also ask for the financials. And they will review the financials and the documents to make sure that you're a legitimate business. And if they review it and they deny you, there's a reason that they do. A credit card processor wants your business, but they will do their due diligence and they will look into your company to make sure that you're legit and to make sure that there's not red flags. And if there's red flags and you don't then you can't be a credit card processor. The owner tries to make it sound like he's the one that doesn't want the credit card processor, which is just a flat out lie, because he keeps making excuses that he doesn't want credit card processor because of chargebacks, but that's not a legitimate reason. Because as a company, if you prove it's pretty, whoa, we are ripping it higher, folks. Okay, here we go above the 940s. This is definitely looking bullish. The high of the overnight session is all the way up here at the 19,000s. But this is looking very bullish. If we can hold this. But anyway, that's where I call BS on. Yeah, trust me, that Scott Trieste would love to have a credit card processor. He would love that, but he can't because there's something going on that doesn't quite look right. And I'm not saying that he can't get there, and maybe in 2 months or 3 months, maybe then the credit card processors will accept him. But that's to me why I feel like it's just very dangerous to, I don't know. I mean, I hope it works. I don't. And then the bank account got frozen, and there's a reason for it, and blah, blah, blah. Just, you know. I love it, John. I love it. I love it. Hey, good morning, least estimator. Good morning. Yeah, FTT is a new prop firm, and that's kind of the whole point. Like, that's the whole kind of problem is, man, we are ripping higher here. Let's see. Will it continue to go? Probably going to get a rip lower now. Pullback of some sorts. But then the second part is I was catching when I was cleaning the garage, I was listening a little bit to 0 Day J. Oh man, he cracked me up. He cracked me up so hard. he loves giving FTT crap. Oh, I love it. I think it was you, John. You were saying that you're going to use some of your expired bus passes to buy some accounts. Or I heard your name mentioned. I'm like, that's got to be John. Oh, I love it. All right, we got news at 9:45. So news in 30 seconds. News in 30 seconds. Yeah, you got some old CTA passes. Well, and the thing is, like, okay, because the reason that the bank accounts supposedly got frozen was there was someone that wired him money, because you have to do an ACH wire. That's the only way you can pay for your accounts. So someone wired him money, but then a week later, they still didn't have the accounts. So they wanted their money back. Well, guess what? You can't. You couldn't. They didn't allow the money to get back. Like there's no recourse. There's no recourse once you deposit or wire those funds. Really no recourse for you. So they literally here's the problem with not having credit card processors. And I'm not saying that this is what's going to happen. I hope it doesn't. But they are setting everything up perfectly to do a rug pull. They're getting people to promote them. They are getting people with big followers and big followings to promote them and to show payouts to get people's confidence up and basically increase that confidence and increase the income. And then, whoop, I hope it doesn't happen. I'm not saying, I don't think it will happen. I don't think so, but it's just too right now that Wow, we are just continuing to rip higher. That news ripping it higher more. Okay. By the way, who said that they got approved yesterday? I wanted to ask, was that an approval from, was that approved from the 15th through the 20th or the 5th? Like, which payout period was that approved on? All right, let's see if we get a pullback here. Hey, good morning, TCG Andy. How we doing? The 10 a.m. news will definitely move the market more than what this news will. Okay, okay, the video stuff you got approved. Okay, that's what I was wondering. Canadians drop rates by 0.25%. Okay, interesting. Man, this is tempting to just go long. Dean Bishop. BOC cites continued easing in broad inflationary pressures. Bullish. Hey, good morning. Good morning. I cannot say that name, but good morning. You got approved yesterday after submitting the video for the August 15th to 20th window. Okay, that's what I was curious, if it's the approvals from the video submittals or if it was approvals from the 1st through the 5th payout submission. So, and here we go. We are about to probably, I don't know, looks like we're going to that 19,000 level. Take out that overnight high. Wow, she ripping. Very bullish so far. Now we have more news coming out at 10. Who called bullish this morning? Who was it? Someone in here was... Someone here. Who was it? Cray Sports. Yeah, Cray Sports. I hope you caught that move. If you did, nicely done. Yeah, definitely stop for the day, Matty Matt. Definitely stop. Please stop. Not me. Yeah, Cray Sports. I got you. I got you. I give credit where it's due. Very nice. Very nicely done. All right. Pull them back again. I find it very hard to believe that we're going to have a nice trending up day, but I think we're going to see a lot of choppy action up and down. Volatility is going to be here, going to be pretty high probably. Hey, McGregor, one of my PAs got down pretty low, so I switched to micros to get the balance back up. Will I be denied when I submit? No, you will not, McGregor. Nope. That is totally fine. there's still this tweet and this Facebook page, like complete BS circulating around, that it's totally fake, of a guy saying he got denied a payout because he went from 1 micro to 2 micros. And it's been proven multiple times that even by the guy that posted it originally, that it wasn't true and he just made it up. But people keep seeing that post and circulating it, and it's confusing people on what the size consistency is. But the size consistency is when you're going from 10 minis to 1 mini, vice versa. True. Yeah, true, John. Hey, thank Rob Moores. I'll need the luck. I need all the luck I can get. I got approved with payouts today and had inconsistent position size. What do you mean by inconsistent, Rob Moores? Or what do you mean? Like, what was your different size? But the sizing thing has to be very significant in order to be an issue. All right, we might just go sideways here until the 10 o'clock news comes out. 10 o'clock news in 7 minutes. Well, I've gone from 2 micros to 20 to 30 when adding to a winning position. 20 to, yeah, but so that would be equivalent from going from 2 micros to 2 minis, 2 micros to 2 to 3 minis. And that's fine. That's not going to get you in trouble. It's when you go from 10 minis, but it's also like if you go from 10 minis and then you go down to 1 mini, you know, you go to 10 minis to get, you know, if you go to really extreme, I think is the only time that really is an issue. Honestly, I have yet to see anyone, like a legitimate claim from someone that has gotten denied from that rule. I haven't even heard of anyone get denied by that. Hmm. Do you ever have problems with NinjaTrader freezing price? If you ever did, how did you fix it? I have, Rich C. Usually when that happens, I don't know what kind of computer you have, but you do need a decent amount of RAM for NinjaTrader to operate correctly. So definitely check how much RAM you have. But when I do have that issue, I usually just restart NinjaTrader. I just restart, and that usually takes care of it. Hey, Viter, good morning. How we doing? AK, good morning. Italian guy from Facebook official group denied for sizing. That's crazy. He got 100K of profit on 2 accounts. Hey, good morning, Speed Racer. Rich C, good, no problem. AK, or yeah, I guess I don't. But what was the sizing like if he did get denied? The other thing, like I have the one thing I have seen, like I don't know if this is like an OP strategy for people trading Apex, but I've seen it now a couple different times where people, thing is, he use one contract and add 9 if it goes in his favor with a very tight stop. Yeah, and see, I can see how that would, like, going from 1 mini to 9 minis, that's kind of the extreme. That is kind of the extreme. Why am I not going long, Blank Johnson? I'm waiting for the news. I'm not going to go long here right before the news comes out. But some of the like an OP strategy for trading Apex funded accounts is something I've heard about. Now, I'm not saying that, obviously, I think some people do this, but I don't know that everyone does. Obviously, not everyone does this, but people supposedly people get 20 accounts. They copy trade 20 accounts. And then their main objective is like the first or second, like the first day, they basically go in with like 5, like they used to be that they would go in with max contracts on the first day. And basically they would kind of YOLO those 20 accounts on the first trade they take. They would go max contracts, and their only goal was to make like 5,000 plus on that trade. And if they did, now basically what that would do is it would put them above the trailing drawdown, where they don't have to worry about the trailing drawdown anymore. And then they would try to do that like for 2 days, where they would get kind of extreme profits in the account, like where it's like a $5,000 day and another $5,000 day. Now you have $10,000 and you got $10,000 of drawdown remaining. And then they worry about the consistency rule after that. But they would do max 10 contracts one day, max 10 contracts the next day, and actually just try to get way above the profit threshold. And if you do the math, a 30% consistency rule on, let's say they make $5,000 the first day, you do that, you just need to get the account to $17,000 to be under the 30% consistency rule. Okay, so after the first 2 days, you'd have 10,000 in profit. Now, those first 2 days are going to be the hardest days. Then they would size down to like 1 mini, and then they would try to get to that 17,000 total in profit the remaining 8 days. Okay, like that, supposedly there were a lot of people doing that, and they basically, I mean, it's not a terrible, like from a business perspective, because if you succeeded, you have 17,000, times 20 accounts, that's $340,000. Now, obviously, they need to be strategic when they, you can withdraw once or twice a month, but one withdrawal and everything is paid for. Okay, news is coming out, folks. We are going lower. Right there. That's why I didn't go long. So, big move lower. Big rip lower. What happened? What did I miss? Timber! What a rip lower. Man. Wow. Wow, that is crazy. I was not expecting that news to move the market this much. Are we going to take out the session lows here at the 824s? Man. What a rip lower. Really curious if we go through the lows here at the 824s. Now, we could just rip straight back up. We know that's possible. Job openings were a lot lower. Wow. Man, it's tempting to go short here. Never mind. This thing could just rip straight back up. We all know. This is how crazy the market can be. Wow, look at that. All the way up to the 900s, 910s. Just ripping it. Yeah, that's why we don't get short. This is wow. Okay, let's see. Maybe we might just go right back up to the highs. This is crazy. We're in the 930s. We just keep going up. 940s. What a move. Yeah, NQ just did a few lines. That's right. Gold like the news? Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. I would not be surprised. Look at that. See, this is where NQ is so crazy. We just ripped lower by what? From the 980s down to the 840s. 140 point rip lower. And now we've ripped 100 points higher. Yeah, I mean, how that's just craziness. Now we could just come right back down. Man, oh man. Look at this. Unbelievable. What the? A dog was just running right through our yard, and it wasn't our dog. Look at this. Crazy volatility. Crazy, crazy times right here. Man, I might take a stab at this. This might be a fail. Could be a fail here, folks. Jeez. Come on, Bulls. Get in here. Oh, dear. And I'm going to get stopped out. The L continues. The L continues. Maybe not. Why is it so volatile? Come on. Almost need to have my stop right here. We got to get above this 920s. Come on. Come on. We just cannot get above that. Come on. Right here. Do it. Let's go. All right. We're going to be... Rip it. Boom. Let's go. Woo. That was touch and go for a minute. I need to go get a drink now. Oh my goodness, that was crazy. Whew. My stop loss was... I'm very glad I moved it. I think if I didn't move that, I would have gotten stopped out. I think. So... Man. All right. Now, do we... Actually, I'm not going to trade this volatility. Not going to do it. That one was a sweating. That was definitely lots of sweating on that one. Ay, 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 ay. Are we just going to rip this to all the way above the 19,000s now? That's just crazy. $4.34. $4.43, I think. All right, here we go. I think we're just going to rip right through that 19,000. I mean, this move, I feel like definitely trapped the shorts, and I think we can, if we make a move above the 19,000s and we hold it, then I will be aggressive. I want longs. Give me nice pullbacks. $19,030. Yeah, that's not a bad place to short. All right, we touched the 19,000s and now just immediately pulling back. This is where you got to be very careful. Very careful. This could trap the longs, and if we do, look out. I don't think it will, though. See if we can squeeze or not. And pull them back. Yeah, this is where you got to be careful. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's feeling a little dumpy. All right, we got to hold right around this. Yeah, right. This 920 level. If this doesn't hold, look out. Man, it'd be tempting to go another long here, but I don't want to. I do not want to get trapped here. Hmm. Man, I was so close to taking that. Oh, I was so close to pulling that trigger long, but I didn't. Ah, I just hate like this kind of volatility is so hard to trade, I feel like. Because if you're hesitant, you're not. If you're hesitant, you're going to miss out. But if you get too aggressive, you'll just get your face ripped off. If I still use Replicanto, I do actually, Laura. I do use Rhythmic and Replicanto currently. Just blew an eval in 1 second. I had 3 contracts and typed in 2 to replace it. And then it did 23. Oh, come on. Why can't it just go like, if you make a mistake and it goes in your favor, why can't it do that? Anybody been in denial for trading the news? I haven't, but I'd also have never traded the news with my funded accounts. Wait, Mr. Push Up. Mr. Push Up, are you being serious? That you had the wrong account number? Yeah, Laura. I mean, any trade copier, I think there's a potential that you can head. Mr. Push Up, do you have my email? I can try to help you out with that. I've had a couple other people where they have mistakenly put in the wrong account numbers, because basically what happens is the money obviously cannot be sent to you. Okay, did you submit a ticket? Okay, if you submit a ticket, it might take a little bit, but they will get back to you. They will fix it. They will fix it, but yeah, it takes a little bit of time. But yeah, I've had other people that had the same thing happen, but they'll make it right. They'll get you the money. If you want my help, Mr. Push Up, send me an email. Wow, what a rip lower right there. Whoa. Okay, I need to wait now. I don't want to be trading until the volatility dies down a little bit. Nutty behind scenes owner. I wish, John. You guys would love Apex if I was the owner, okay? Trust me. You guys would love it. Apex would be the best firm ever. As long as I make $1 million a month, I would make the easiest rules ever in the history of prop firms. And, you know, I would even have I would do challenges. Who can blow whoever blew the most evals in 1 month would get $1,000 sympathy bonus. I would do whoever blew the most funded accounts in a month would get $1,000 sympathy bonus. I would have all kinds of, for the degens out there, I would look out for you guys. I would help you. And we'd have great rules, you know. It would be great. Yeah, we'd have daily duck races on. We'd have daily duck races for sure. I need to do a duck race. As soon as my payout gets approved, we're doing a lot of duck races. You would 100% get the award for August. Uh-oh. You would get one mulligan per. I would do this. You would be allowed one mulligan per account per month. Okay? That's it. No more mulligans than that. Oh, it would be great. Other prop firm owners would absolutely hate me. They would hate me because they couldn't compete. All right, we're just chopping now. We're just in this range. No need to Top Step X would be talking BS all day about Nutty Bar prop firm. Yeah. I don't want my own prop firm. I just want to be the owner of Apex. That's all I want. Pretty sure that's not possible, but just give me the Apex prop firm for 1 week. I would have all problems resolved in 1 week. It would be great. Oh, man. All right. All right, I need to see, we need to get above the 19,000s and hold. I'm saying this out loud to myself, but do not take longs until we are above the 19,000 and holding. This here's just going to be noise. All right, are we gonna? I really want this to rip above the 19,000s. I really do recommend not revenge trading PA accounts. That seldom goes right, Design Knob. I can attest to that. Or I will raise my hand and out myself because I did that yesterday. Hey, Cycling Grandpa, let's go. Cycling Grandpa with the 10K approved. Thanks for streaming transparency and fun, especially for ending every stream with God bless. Aw, thank you, Cycling Grandpa, and God bless you, man. That's awesome. Congratulations on a great payout and approval. Let's go. Let's go. Give it up. Show some love for Cycling Grandpa. I just envision you on your bicycle on a bike trail and just a happy grandpa going down the trail. That's what I envision when I see your name. I love it. I love it, man. Hey, Tick Ripper Trading got approved as well. Nicely done. Let's go. Tick Ripper Trading approved. Tick Ripper, if I can ask, was that payout approval? Did you get approved after you submitted a video? Or is this an approval from the first through the fifth payout request? 140 years old, cycling away. Oh, man. I love, yeah, cycling's a good exercise. A gold covered, hey, yeah, you can buy yourself a new bicycle with that payout. Okay, so after you sent the video, and now you've been approved. Awesome. I love to see it. I love to hear it. All right, man, this chart is looking pretty ugly, like a barcode. We need to get above this 19,000s. Come on. Rip it. Here we go. We're at the 80s. You can buy a new cycle, but none of Nutty's golf clubs. Hey, those golf clubs. By the way, guys, I on Monday, on Labor Day, I played softball, and oh, I am so sore. I'm so sore, it's actually embarrassing. I had one hit. It was actually not to brag on myself, but I had a pretty insane hit. The bases were loaded. The bases were usually, okay, so usually I don't run too fast because, well, I know I'm going to get so sore, but the bases were loaded. It was the top of the 7th inning, and we were down 2 runs, okay? So we were down 2 runs, top of the 7th inning, and the bases were loaded, and I was up to bat. The pressure was on, and I bat left-handed, and I hit the center fielder. He was playing in a little bit, and I burned him. I got him, hit it over his head all the way to the wall, and I had to run. Like, I actually had to go full out sprint mode, full on, to get a triple, a bases clearing triple. We ended up losing then in the bottom of the 7th anyway, but hey, it was, at least I had my little moment of, celebration. But I'm pretty sure that run alone, I am so sore. My butt cheeks are sore right now. It's that bad. Like, everything that is attached to my torso down, my legs, my thighs, my calves, my feet, my arches of my feet, my buttocks, everything is sore. And I'm so sore that I can't even really limp because everything hurts equally. You know what I mean? Like, everything just hurts the same. So it's like I can't even really limp, but it's painful. And then on top of that, we decided to clean out the garage yesterday, which was just actual torture. And we didn't even finish. We didn't even finish the garage cleaning. We didn't even finish it. So I probably have to go help finish it today. Feels bad. Hey, you're a competitive cyclist, Cycling Grandpa. Let's go. You do mountain biking and time trialist? Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome, Cycling Grandpa. That is awesome. Did I point to the finger with the right field before I swung? I wish I would have. Oh, I wish I would have. Hey, Gutenberg, good morning. 2 payout requests approved after being under review. 2 payouts, 2K and 1.8K. Let's go, Gutenberg. Bless you, man. Your streaming, my streaming has helped a lot, mainly to be patient. Hey, I always say you guys are the ones clicking the buttons. Okay, so I don't need or deserve any credit. It's all you guys. Okay, we're about to, oh, there she goes. She ripping. Are we gonna keep, oh, come on. You gotta go through the 19,000s. Just do it already. Come on, just, there it goes. There she blows. 19,020, here we come. Okay, this is what we wanted to see. Now, we need to close above the 19,000s, and I just want to see a little pullback where I can feel comfortable getting in. 19,020. It is feeling pretty bullish. The new rules has helped to avoid DCA and other stuff they used to do. Yeah, Gutenberg. I mean, I feel the same way. I don't DCA. I mean, I DCA like almost never compared to what I used to do. And I do think actually it has improved. Really did. If I copy traded to my other accounts, Zach W, no, I did not. Nope. I wish. Today, I wish I did. Now, yesterday, I was very glad that I didn't copy trade. So it's one of those things you just got to It's going all the way to 1978. Hey, could be Cray Sports. Could be. I mean, the first kind of, I mean, I would not be like 19145s here. Remember the 140s yesterday? We could be going to test those. We'll see. We'll just wait and see. But it is really good. It is really good to hear people that submitted the videos and getting their payouts approved. The nice thing about that now is once you've submitted a payout or once you've submitted that video, now you won't be asked to submit again. So hopefully going forward, it'll be a lot smoother approval. All right, here we go. Above the 20s, it is looking very bullish. All right, here we go. 1930s. Yeah, John, I am going to, if I get asked to do a video, then I'm going to do a little bit of a tutorial, if you will, on how to do a video. So I'm actually like, this sounds kind of weird, but I'm actually kind of hoping I get asked to do a video. Or I actually don't care. I'm going to make a video and just, hey, this is what you need to do. Probably get a lot of, I'll probably get all kinds of flack for it, but I don't care. $1937s. Here come the 40s. I mean, I can't just jump in here. We got to get a pullback before we can dive in this. So just got to be patient. Got to be patient. All right, 1930s. Come on, give me a pullback to like the 19,000s would be nice. Come on, just give me a pullback. I would do my video nude and hope Princess B likes it. Yeah, red poker. I always kept saying, if I get asked for a video, I'll do it nude. That's the first step. They'll look at it and be like, ooh, I ain't watching more of this. Click off of it and just approve it. Oh, man. I might do it in a gimp suit. But the thing is, they can see if you're just DCing into oblivion or if you're just improving your existing position. One day trader. Hey, V Ranjan, you got your payout approved after submitting a video? I mean, I'm seeing a lot of people that got approved after they submitted the video, which is really good to hear. Good to hear, man. And now hopefully that will actually expedite the process in the future. Wait, you one day trader, you said that you DCA more than a couple times and you still got approved? I'm going to tell you right now, one day trader, just don't tell anyone, okay? I would not tell anyone, even in chat. You never know. You never know when someone's watching. But I would definitely not make a habit of it. I would definitely not make it a habit of it. Yeah, Kellyanne's working on a video right now. I'm really interested to see. I can't wait. I'm sure Kellyanne is right now working on a video from exposing Fast Track Trader's CEO for doxing customers. I mean, she was so appalled by how John was talking about customers. I mean, it was not even close to that level. So I'm sure she's working on a video right now calling out Fast Track Trader's CEO for doxing customers because, you know, and for their bank account being frozen. I'm sure she's just busy, but she's working on it very hard right now. All right, we are just not getting any pullbacks here, unfortunately. But I am just not going to chase this. We are way too far from the EMA to be chasing this, but it's just going straight up, folks. It is going straight up. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that, Red Poke. You know what else is funny? You know what else is funny? I saw, so Damn Good Trading. I don't know if you guys know who that guy is, but, you know, she made a video exposing him and calling him out and how terrible he is when he was trading with Apex. And he got a payout approved and everything, but now he's trading with Fast Track Trader. And now she's being best buds with him. Oh, it's so hilarious. Now he's fine. Now everything's fine. But beforehand, she was calling him out for selling courses and everything. But as soon as he switched to Fast Track, now he's cool. Now it's all good. Keep it real. Just gotta keep it real. But you know what? I find it humorous. I find it entertaining. She can do whatever she wants. But I can't see how people take her seriously. Yeah, it does. If I think Fast Track Trading is good, I purchased an account but forgot to pay as they need an ACH transfer. I mean, V Ranjan, this is my take on the whole Fast Track Trading thing. My main concern is that they don't take credit cards. There is a very simple, in order to get a credit card processor, you have to submit financials and your business, overview or whatever to the credit card processors. The credit card processors will then review it and deem if they want to be partnered with you. The only times that you can't get a credit card processor is when there are red flags. Now, I don't know why those red flags exist. It could be that they're just new and they don't have enough history. That could definitely be the case. Or there could be other things that they see that they don't like. But that is a red flag. At least be careful. And just understand that if you send them a wire or crypto or whatever you send them, you ain't getting it back. Okay? So if you send them a lot of money and then 2-3 days later they start having issues and they start, if issues start to come up, then you can't charge back. You can't get that money back. It's gone. And yeah, they could do PayPal as well, Ranjan. So, but they choose not to. They try to spin it off like, well, they don't want to deal with chargebacks. But the thing is with a credit card processor, if someone does a chargeback, the credit card processor will contact the business. And if the business can show the paperwork and the receipts that they legitimately paid for something and they received such, whatever the agreement was, and they received the product, they will not charge back. So doing the whole thing, oh, we don't want to deal with chargebacks, is kind of just an excuse. It's just an excuse for, that's not a valid reason. If you actually have a legitimate claim for charging people, then the credit card won't charge it back. Yeah, I have no idea, Citizen Zero, but I mean, I like giving Kellyanne a hard time, but at the same time, whatever. I don't even. She can do whatever she wants. Wow, this market is very bullish. All right, here we are, all the way up at the 50, up almost at the 60s now. Oh man, you have a question? What happens after the test I passed at Take Profit? I think you'll get an email the next morning or sometime the next day. You'll get an email that basically shows that, they will say that you passed it and they'll show you the next steps. Yeah, Stone Trader. I mean, I definitely would agree. I find it hard to believe that people actually take her seriously, but then I also have to remind myself that there's people that are willing to spend $2,000 for a trading course of someone that doesn't even think they have to show that they're profitable before they sell said course. So one thing I have discovered in this trading industry, there are a ton of gullible people. Like, gullible people are a dime a dozen in the trading industry. And I mean, it proves every day. If people weren't so gullible, people wouldn't be things would be different, but it is what it is. I've kind of decided, you know what? If people want to spend money on things, it's their money, go for it. Knock yourself out. Yeah, exactly, John. That's weird. I don't see her in my chat. Oh, wait, she's banned. And then she keeps asking to be unbanned. All right, are we finally going to get a pullback here? Hey, Traderist Chick, how we doing? Good morning. But yeah, I think the biggest thing in this industry, the reason that people are so gullible is people just want to believe. People want to believe that there is some magic button that they don't know about. People want to believe that there is just some magic recipe, some magic strategy out there that if they just pay for XYZ, it will solve all of their problems. And that does not exist. And it usually takes people of a little bit of pain and suffering for people to understand and be like, okay, yeah. The super trend indicator, I have not seen it. From where, Ranjan? I'll pray for you, UCLA. Let's go. Come on, I really would love I need a better pullback. Just need a little bit better here. Okay, we're getting that pullback down to the 19,000s. Oh man, just don't do a V-shaped reversal move. Whatever you do, market, don't do that. I cannot handle that. Can you guys hear the crows outside? Can you guys hear that? The crows outside, they're having some kind of dispute with each other, so I got my window open so you can easily hear him. All right, we got to take it. It's right there. That's our setup. Come on, don't do like this. Let's go, baby. All right, we're just now going to try to hold for the high a day here. Rip it, baby. Let's go. We're going to take it off at this 1950s. Come on, give me a good follow through here. Don't rip it lower now. Come on. Okay, I'm going to... I just wasn't willing to hold through that. If it goes lower now, I'm just not in the mood. I should have stayed in it there. I was a little bit scared. Man, I should have just jumped in there. I should have held that one longer. I should have held that. I was a little impatient on it. Little impatient. It's all right. I just didn't want to see that thing go red. I did not want to see that, but definitely should have held. Can you help me reach out to Apex in regard to fixing my payout? Yes, Mr. Pushup, I can definitely help you. Did you send me? Mr. Pushup, do you have my email address? Oh, okay, you don't have it? Hang on. If Apex is still good with a mental stop loss, yes. Hey, you're still holding UCLA trades? That's awesome. I'm glad you are. I kind of bailed way too soon on that trade, but I don't know. I'm not that upset about it. Ninja Trader has a reverse button. That is true. It should. I definitely like the long. If you're still long, I like it. There's nothing to say not to. I mean, I think we're going to make new highs here. That's just a way too trigger happy getting out of that position. There it is. New highs incoming. Nicely done holding, guys. See if we rip above right here. Man, what was I doing? Why did I not trade my other accounts on this trade? Jeez. Oh, that frustrates me. I was gonna trade my other account as well on this pullback, and I literally forgot. Unbelievable. There it is. New highs all the way up to the 70s. And UCLA is out. Let's go, UCLA. Nice trade. Nicely done. It's the crows. Yes, V Ranjan. So this chart trader is actually from Affordable Indicators. It is a special chart trader from Affordable Indicators. Man, oh man, that's a sad trade, even though it was a win. Had so much more potential. But, oh well. Why is that? Oh. Hey, Andy. Andy, thank you for the $2. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Okay, we're now at the 80s. Unbelievable. Totally mismanaged that trade. Ugh. Andy L with the $1.99. I appreciate that. Also, Alexander subscribed. Thank you very much. Excuse me. Take profit hit 1200 on 5 PAs. Let's go, Citizen Zero. Nicely done. Yeah, bingo. I trade sports 1978. There it is. Nicely done. Thoughts on updated rules about from Apex around 9/11. I don't have a date, but I would love that, Red Poker. I mean, the sooner the better, if you ask me. You just hit 100K. Yep, I did, Ranjan. Thank you. Thank you. Past 350K accounts, I need to record my trades for Apex? No. No, Brandon. You don't need to record your trades until you get asked to do so. So, yeah, I would not worry about it. Working on my TP accounts. Let's go, John. Oh, you almost got 3 passed? Let's go, John. That's awesome. That's the other thing. Apex said that only 5 to 7% of people were actually asked to submit a video. But you know, it seemed like a lot more. But according to them, it was 5 to 7% of people were asked to submit a video. But you know, what do I know? Wow, there we go, all the way up through the 90s. Unbelievable. We would be done for the day if I just hold this trade. I mean, geez. Unbelievable. All right, 19,100 is coming. It's coming, folks. Man, I butchered that so hard. Oh. I'm gonna try to not complain too much about it. How much do you have to pay before getting paid by Take Profit? I think it's $149 activation fee, I believe. So Apex only asks for recording on futures trades, not on the payout request. Yeah, it's only okay. Yeah, sorry, maybe that's not clear, Andy L. So yeah, I can see how that is confusing. So just to clarify, so this is how the this is how the requested videos work. You can trade normally. You don't have to record your trading or anything, and you can make whatever money you make, etc. Then once you go to submit the payout, you submit a payout request. That is when they will ask. Basically, that is when they determine if they want to see a recorded video session of you. But it's not. It's just going forward. They just need 2 days of you recording your trades, and that is it. That's it. Trader JX. Yeah, I guess Trader JX, if you don't mind the owner doxing customers and having bank accounts frozen, then yeah, I guess you're right. Hey, if your account got approved for payout and you blow the account, do you still get paid? No, you do not. Wait, if you got approved, yes. Sorry, Steven. So once you get approved, the money will be removed from the account. Once that money is removed from the account and you blow the account, you still get paid, no problem. But it has to be approved and the money has to be taken out of the account. That's the key. If you blow it while it's pending, then you will not get paid out. Which is why I don't recommend. You only care about prop firm and not the people behind it. Well, I wish you luck. Well, we'll see. Nice to know if people get paid when you, yeah. Just take my money out right away. I tried. That is something I suggested. That is something I suggested. The problem is, yeah, there's other kind of issues, but we'll see. They don't deny payouts. Yeah. Famous last words. Like I said, if you Trader JX, if you think Fast Track Trader is the best, then use them. Go right ahead, man. I ain't stopping you. Make sure you use that Kohl's Cash card. Or I've heard that they also accept payment through expired bus passes. What platform I use to record my screen? I'm pretty sure Windows has a built-in screen recorder that you can use, but you can also do... The best way to do it, honestly, is just have your phone, whatever, behind you, take a video recording like that. That's probably the best way. Yeah, they also take expired concert ticket stubs as well. Yes. Yeah, I agree, Matty Matt. I agree. I agree. Too funny. But hey, make sure you save up that Tron coin so you can buy a couple more accounts. Yeah, you can also do OBS. You can do Streamlabs. Streamlabs is free. You can record yours. There's actually a lot of free options out there to record your screen if that's what you want to do. Yeah, exactly, Benjamin. I actually kind of hope I get asked to do a video and then I'm going to do like a tutorial. I don't know how to do it. You can buy it with USD. You can only buy it with USD as in crypto, correct? Alt-C with, oh yeah, GeForce. If you have a NVIDIA graphics card, you can also do it that way. You have an old Eminem concert ticket. Pretty sure that would get you the Rally account, John. That's too funny. That's too funny. Oh, UCLA, 90% winning days in 32 days. Wow, that's awesome. It's a nice streak. That's a nice streak. Man, we're just continuing to go higher. No end in sight. All right, let's just wait. See where we go. I mean, give me a pullback so we can get in again. What the heck? Okay, pull them back. Okay, maybe we get an entry. Down to the 1980s here. Right, down through the 80s here. Definitely a little bigger pullback here. So we are paying attention. We maybe just get some 1950, 1960 area here. All right, here we go all the way down. We're gonna maybe test this 60 area here. Or is this like the V-shaped reversal move? I mean, I'm definitely skeptical of it. Okay, here we go down to the 60s. Let's see a better entry here. Man, I'm not a fan of these kind of entry signals. Oh, I'm going to be patient here. Right here is what I don't like. Doesn't look like it's got a lot of momentum. Can I trade an eval for the video? No, it does have to be a funded account. It does have to be a funded account, but it doesn't have to be a funded account of the requested payout. So if you have a different funded account, you can trade that one, but it does have to be a funded account. I did have that. I did get that verified. All right. I just gotta wait. I want to see a little better entry signal here. Maybe we test the EMA for the first time. Yeah, now we're going lower here. Here we go, 1960s, 1955s now. Man, this makes me a little nervous for the longs. This makes me nervous. And it's hard to tell. This could be. I don't know. Our first test of the EMA all day, and since we broke out. Let's just wait and see. I don't know, just starting to feel kind of bearish. Starting to feel a little bearish. As long as we don't see a big dump here, I feel okay taking a long. But this is where this is always where I get trapped. This is always, we make these kind of stair-stepping lower, and that's where I'll get caught up. But like right here, I do like a long here. Do I want to do it? Technically, I should wait till we get above the 72s here before I go in. Technically. Yeah, I think I will. This is just looking. Let's just wait. No need to rush. It's feeling bearish. Oh. Oh, I don't know, man. What do you guys think? Could just be a stop hunt. Yeah. So somebody with one funded account can't get approved if they ask for a video, Saral? Yeah, they can. You just have to take a video of that account. Oh, now we're seeing a push. See, this should be my entry technically. Oh, do I do it? Do I do it? Do I do it? And I'm hesitant, not pulling the trigger. Oh. Feel like I missed the train. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. My entry would have been right here at the 55s, 65s. I don't know. If this gonna rip higher now, I'm gonna be sad. Stop, Dodie. Man. The thing is, right here, if this is gonna stair step down, this is where it's gonna do it. Why? Yeah, this might just stair step its way down now. Yep, here it goes. The old Ripperooski. The old Ripperooski. Hmm. Hey, AL22, thanks for the sub. I appreciate that. As long as we like as long as we don't like make this massive dump, kind of like along, but we might consolidate for a while. We might consolidate, so we just chilling. Yeah, there she goes. Just stair-stepping it down. I don't know, man. Oh boy. I'm glad to just be on the sidelines here. Bulls are trying. They're trying. Okay, is this gonna make a move now? Oh, I'm so tempted to go long, but I feel like it's very risky. Man. We might pop here. We might pop. Well, pop or drop. Uh-oh. Nah. This looks interesting. It's like the Bulls just lost all their momentum. They just gave up. Nothing happening. What happens if I blow up my account recording the video trying to show the Apex team how good a trader I am? It would be kind of awkward. But again, when you record your videos, it's actually not really, the profit and loss isn't really that important. What is important, the reason they're asking is so that basically to prove that you are the person trading the accounts. That's the important thing. All right, market, what is it going to do here? Very crazy here. Just up and down, up and down. Are we going to sweep the lows here? There it goes. I need to go fill up my water bottle. I will be right back. And we're back. Oh, it is some painful price action if you're long. It's just slowly bleeding lower. I hate when it does that. And there it rips down to the 22s. We just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Maybe it wants to come back and test the 19,000s. Maybe. Ooh. All right, there we go through the 20s down to the 15s. Look at that. I mean, we have now pulled back 100 points from the highs. This doesn't look like 100 points, but it is. Crazy. 1910s. Wow. This market is crazy. All right, now I just don't trust. Man, there it goes. 19,000s down through. Just not, I mean, not looking good. These are not looking good for the Bulls. Looks like we are back to bear mode. Mastufa, cool. I appreciate that. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. It's heading for my EM for this. Oh, maybe we go test this opening range high, the 18,965s, maybe. This also, the 18,980s could be a potential bounce area, but oh man, do I take a stab at this? Oh man. I'm gonna take a stab at it. Man. I'm gonna have a quick trigger finger. No. Why did you not fill me there? What do I hear? My neighbor's mowing the lawn. That's what I hear. Okay, we might need to kill this. Might need to kill it. On, pop it. Pop it. Let's go. Whew. I was kind of just looking for a scalp there. I'm okay with that. That was nerve-wracking. Oh. The Apex armor truck can bring your payout. That'd be cool. I mean, basically, I just like the bounce off of this 980 area right here. That's why I took this. Hey, the small ones, they add up. They add up. Okay, I wonder, is he going to look for new lows here? Are we going to look for a reversal here? I'm short now. Everyone want to go long. Oh, we're sitting at yesterday's open? No way. Yesterday's open was 470. Ah. Man, this makes me want to, like, right here would be a short. Right here. This was it. I should be in it. If we're going to continue lower and test maybe VWAP, I like this right here, but I'm not going to take it. Or if this wants to make, if this is the test, just look out. Look out. Man, I didn't realize my neighbor's lawnmower was that loud. Oh, at the close. Oh, yes. Yes, TCM trades. Got it. Eh. That's not a good close for the Bears. Yeah, that's not looking good for the if you're looking for short now. Doing one of those little fake outs where to the downside, and we might trap some shorts here. This rips above the 20s. We could see. Let's just wait and see. All right, I'll take that. Just scalping. That was total scalp mode right there. Quick in and out. All right, this might test the VWAP right here. Hey, how much profit can we make in a day? We better figure this stuff out. I did not think we would have to today, but okay, we can make 1980. $1,980. But technically, we're actually wait. If we do yeah, we can take a couple more trades if we really like it. Let's see if we get below this 1980. It's looking good for the shorts here. Very curious. Are we going to make new lows? Is it going to make new lows? If it doesn't, I might dive in. Okay, now see this. Ooh, this looking interesting now. Did not make new lows yet. Okay, might do it right here. Okay, here we go. We got to lose this 80s if we want to break down below. It's holding up right now. It's holding up. Man, I'm tempted to short this. It's holding. Keeps bouncing. Keeps bouncing off of this 80 level. I feel like if we lose this, we can capture a couple ticks here. It's taking its time. Nah, I'm just gonna wait. Now looking like it wants to bounce. Hey, nice midnight. Good luck. Good luck, man. All right, this is interesting now. This might be it. Man, I just have to. I want to go short here to VWAP, but I feel like I might. If I get trapped, then it's not gonna be good. If I can get in like up here, I could have my stop right here. Yeah, this is now pumping. We just never could get through that 80 level. Well, I just gotta wait. I don't know that I want to go long here either. Okay, here it comes. Man, right here at the top of this channel, be tempting to go short right here. Yeah, it's just gonna rip. It's just gonna rip. Straight up. All right. Now. Oh, man. I mean, we came right there, tested the EMA. I don't know. I got to take this. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Only going in with one contract here, keeping my size a little bit lower. Come on, we got to get below this 19,000 level, or I got to cut this. Might need to just kill it. We can't get down below that. Probably should have waited for my entry below the 19,000s. Come on. Gotta see a big push here. Gotta flush it. Come on. Gonna be patient here. Ah, this is not good. We might get killed here. It's all right. If we do, it's okay. Yeah, we just did not have any continuation on this. Got a little, probably should have waited a little bit on my entry there. Should have waited. All right, we're going to get stopped out here the way this is looking. We're going to break out above this and it's going to rip me. Maybe. Maybe. Come on, bull. Come on, bears. Come on. Come on. Let's close lower. Give me a red close. Give me a red close. Come on, do it. Do it. Do it. Red close, I really like this trade. Come on. Below the 19,000s. Let's go. Come on, do it. Do it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Doesn't want to do it. Doesn't want to do it. Oh. Do I just get out of this? Just kill it and call it? Right now, it just is not getting below that 19,000 level. Ah. Man. That feels bad. It gave me hope. It gave me hope. I mean, I really like these wicks, but we cannot go below the 19,000 level. We're just holding. Yeah, this, if we make another move here, I think we're going to take me out. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the game. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. Rip. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. I can already feel it gonna rip. Go ahead, just take me out. It's fine. I don't mind. I'm not offended. Go ahead. It's okay. And there it is. Review of that trade. I'm not that upset about it, really. I'm not that upset about it. Felt it was pretty solid. We just never did. The only thing is, maybe I should have waited until we're below the 19,000s as confirmation, but it's okay. Sorry, I've not been paying attention. Not been paying attention to chat, guys. I apologize. Do you ever have that issue where the main screen window sometimes gets minimized? Oh no. Trader on tilt. I love it. Well, okay, are you kidding me right now? You son of a That is not okay. Are you serious? You wick me out again and now you're gonna rip? Are you serious right now? No shot. No shot you just did that. Too funny, man. Too funny. Very funny, market makers. You guys have a sick, twisted sense of humor. Absolutely disgusting sense of humor. And now it's just going to go straight back up. Man. Man, it's just chopping back and forth now. It's still short trending, short term. I agree. Am I dugging us from the duck race, Con Adams? Nope. Duck races they'll be back. They'll be here. Just not sure yet. I was kind of waiting until I get my payout approved. Once I have my payout approvals, duck races are definitely back in play. We'll do a lot of them. I have an extended pivot level right under the 993. Oh, I see. All right, looks like we're just chopping now. Back and forth, up and down. Twirl it all around. Why not duck race for fun? No awards needed. Oh, we gotta have awards. We gotta have the duck race, and we gotta keep. If we start doing duck races only for fun, it's gonna lose the validity of the duck race. We can't have that. Okay, market. I guess we just stay out of this mess. I still would love to short this, but man, I'm scared. Hmm. Ah. Choppiness. Very choppy. I might need to go get some lunch so this market decides what it wants to do. Okay, I'm curious. Are we going to go below the 80s here? We have not been able to get through those 80s. We have tried multiple times. Hey, we wicked right to the 80s again. Unbelievable. Ugh. Hi, man, oh man. I'm pretty sad that I got wicked out again here on my stop. Jeez. Oh, this market is hard to trade right now. I don't think it looks like it wants to hold this 980, but then it can't get above the EMA. Got a feeling once this breaks out, it's gonna be ugly. Now I should go and short this. I don't know, man. Stop above the high. Yeah, I mean, it's just not very good price action right now. And I would love to still be short. I would love it, but this stupid thing stopped me out. Like, what are the that's just I hate it. I hate it. You stop me out like that. So rude. All right, are we gonna go below the 80s here? Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna do it this time? Ah, nope, nope, not so fast. Man, I tell you what, this market does not know what it wants to do. Like, I'm going to go higher. Nope, lower. Nope, higher. Make up your mind there, sonny boy. And here we go. Ripping it back up. The longer we hold this 980, I guess, the longer we hold this, the bigger the chances are that we keep going higher. I think that is fair. Yeah, this is definitely looking bullish. But I don't trust it to go long. I know that. No, ain't gonna trap me. Okay, let's see if we make the move above the EMA here. Man, I want to go short so bad. Okay. Oh. Look at that. Ah, I was so close to shorting that. It's not even funny. Oh. Oh, man. Extract the most grief and raise blood pressure to the highest level possible before caving. I agree. Doing a great job. Doing a great job right now. Or just extract the most amount of frustration. That's what it feels like. Man, that's too much, though. Dang it. Come on. Just give me a little bit of continuation, please. Man. I just can't do it. Oh, come on. What do I want to do here? Hmm. Ah, that's disappointing. Unreal. Really? Oh my God. Wow. No, I stop, please stop. I am overtrading. I agree. I agree. Man, oh man, that was so frustrating. And we're just gonna rip higher now. Okay then. Alrighty. Oh, you know what? I probably need to walk away. I need a little break. So I need a big walk away. Do yourself a favor and add volume profile to my chart. Go all in. Don't tempt me with a good time. Don't tempt me with a good time. That's just super frustrating. Hmm. We get above this 33 level, then I guess there's a chance maybe we want to retake those. Maybe we want to go test those highs again. I don't know how to feel. I'm very disappointed. Giving back this much profit is definitely not fun. Yeah, breaking above the 34s now. There it goes. Never feel bad for a green day. Yeah, I agree. Just, man, I have not been trading well these past 2 days, man. I think it's partially because of my payout. I've done it in the past as well. I remember the other time I did a payout request, a big payout request, and then I go to just kind of trading recklessly. And I think I don't know, I think it's partially to do with like, I don't know, I think it's kind of dumb, but it's like, hey, I got my payout. Now we just go crazy. And I mean, I hate it. I hate it. If I have kids, yes, I have 2 kids, 3-year-old and a 3 years old and 11 years old. Let's both walk away, shut down, and forget about it. Tomorrow we'll have a better opportunity. How many accounts I currently have? That's kind of a kind of a question I don't really want to answer right now because Oh, I got smoked. I got smoked in my other accounts on this trade and on this trade. Absolutely smoked. We're going to focus. We're going to focus on here for the next couple of days to keep my sanity. I'm going to focus on the $24,000 payout we have coming. Because that's the only positive we can look at as of now. We just nuked. We nuked a couple of more accounts today, unfortunately. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Do you have any video explaining my strategy? No, I don't. I don't. Which size account is the best for easy payout? I would say it is the 50K account. I would have to go with the 50K account. Oh, man, I'm so disappointed. Oh, man. I really need to... Oh, I don't even know what I need to do. I need to refocus my discipline. My discipline has been just lacking. Very lacking. This indicator is the initial balance indicator from Trade Devil Indicators website. Well, I think I'm really trying to think what to do. Thank you, Caroline. I appreciate it. I might as well show you guys. Because kind of not in the mood to do a recap video on this. I'm really not in the mood to do a recap video on this, so maybe I'll just show it, not do a recap video. I'll take my punishment right now. Anyway, here it is. Here it is. Feast. All the haters can have a feast day on this. So this account here, I technically nuked this account yesterday. This account was gone yesterday. For some reason, this... Oh, you know what? I know it. I know why. It's because I had an open position on it. I'll just do an open... I'll do a recap video of me crying. And yeah, this... I mean, you can see, literally, this is like... Had a really nice trade here. Had a really nice trade here. And then I did a stupid thing. And I went long. I went short here looking for the chase to VWAP. Bad trade. And then I get stopped out. Pretty much similar to my account on my other account. And then again, it happened again here. I chase it again and I get stopped out again. Literally repeated the same mistake twice. You love to see it. But hey, we still got 24,000 payouts coming. So I'm going to take that as the positive, and we're going to just focus on that, and we're going to just do a lot of USA breathing and relaxing exercises, and I'm not going to trade evals. I'm not going to pass more evals as a punishment. As a punishment to myself, I am not going to allow myself to trade or try to pass more evals. I'm not going to do it. We still have all the funded accounts that are getting a payout from, which is one. I don't even know. How many accounts do I have left now? 10. I think 10. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to keep focus on. It's 100K month, 100K year, which I'm very thankful, very grateful, and I'm very happy about. You know how it is, guys, right? You know how it is. Even with even with a really nice payout, it definitely hurts less. But doing stuff, blowing accounts, there's just something about it that really puts me in a sour mood. Really puts me in a sour mood, man. Oh, just so frustrating. Can you pass an eval and PA fees and keep it even if you have 20 PA accounts? No, you can pass an eval account, but you can't activate it. Yeah, it's all part of it. Yeah, Rain 1980. Like, anything that has no drawdown left, this account, here, let's do this. You know what I like about this trade? This trade, what do you call it? Account manager. Look at this. I can just exit out. Ha! Look at that, guys. $600 profitable day. No problem. But those are the accounts I have left. Like, this is literally the accounts I have left. The rest, we can just pretend like it didn't happen if that's okay with you guys. You're looking at transitioning to some prop accounts instead of just trading your personal. Lemonhead, I mean, I'm going to give you, if you're looking to transition into it, first take it slow because it is a little bit different. And then don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't use, you know, me personally, I like Apex, but Apex has definitely had some road bumps, you know. I think Apex offers the best leverage. And what I can say is if you do follow the rules, you will get paid out. They make you jump through a little bit more hoops, but they pay out. There's other prop firms with different rules. Kind of find one that makes the most sense for you. And, you know, be familiar with prop firms and their rules before you dive in. I think that's probably the biggest. I think that's the biggest thing. How do I show the account manager on Ninja? It's a special indicator, Mr. Phibbs Trade. Sorry. Patrick screenshot it though. I do not care. I do not care what Patrick Whelan says or does. He's irrelevant. Props made me a gambler. Personal accounts are better. There you go. See? Mr. Wall Street, for him, personal accounts are better. So there you go. It's different for everyone. That's okay. We don't need to be the same. Or that's how I like to keep it in here. You know, some people, personal accounts are better, and that's totally okay. Some people, prop firms are better. Some like Top Step. Some like Take Profit. Some like Fast Track. Some like Apex. Trade where you can get your payouts. Take out that money. That's what's important. And, you know, the rest is, it is what it is. Oh, but look at this. Man, oh man, oh man. We are just straight ripping higher. We're going to go test these highs again, aren't we? Crazy. Crazy, man. I do need to walk away for today for sure. I was definitely on tilt. Those last 3 accounts, I was definitely on tilt, and I need to walk away. Hey, Lemonhead, no problem. Thank you for the $9.99. I appreciate it. You don't have to do that, but I really do appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If I made $5,000 in day 1 and another $5,000 in day 2 on your PA accounts, minimum profit target goes up to $34,000? No. It's your highest day. So 5,000 and 30% consistency rule for that is 17,000. So Rain 1980, that still means you would need to get to 17,000 to be under the 30% consistency rule. Yeah, Neo, I just took some, I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest. On my other, I definitely didn't trade well and just, feel kind of sick about it. Feel kind of yuck about it. Stupid. Just no, that's just bad. But man, look at that. Look at that move. Yeah, we'll try again tomorrow. You went along several times and hell. Oh, that's so, yeah. Drop and give you 50 push-up. I'm too sore. I'm too sore. I can't give anybody any push-ups today. So frustrating. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'm trying to tell myself it's okay. Still, we locked in a nice payout for the month. We got over 100K, which was the goal. And we still have 10 accounts. We still have the 10 accounts. And once the payouts get approved, we have a nice buffer in those accounts. Oh, no, Matty Matt. That ain't happening for sure. Any giveaway to celebrate the 20K payouts? Yes, Aries. Yes, we will be doing multiple giveaways once my payouts are approved. So once the payouts are approved, there will be multiple giveaways, and we'll have a lot of fun. All right, is this gonna just keep ripping higher? I might actually call it here because I am not gonna take another trade here. I don't have it in me, and I'm gonna hold myself accountable to doing a recap video. I'm gonna make myself do a recap video as punishment for how I behaved. Accountability. I'm gonna hold myself accountable. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it here. I mean, it feels like on the screen you see this, and you think, oh, Nutty had a good day. Well, unfortunately, that is not true. I actually did not have a good day. But it's okay. It's okay. All right, take care, everybody. Appreciate every one of you, and we will be back. Take care, and God bless.